Family, what is going on with y'all, man? We got a very special video. This video is going to be straight up game. Straight up game. And I ain't gonna lie, this video is motivated from a recent comment on my last video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm posting daily. This video is gonna come right out the next day from when I posted the video of me making, I said 1.4K in like 5 minutes or something like that. And dude commented, he said, I'm not even gonna read the whole comment. He basically just told me like, I need to show my trades. I need to show exactly what I'm doing. I need to be more transparent, which I always show my account. If you go back and look at my videos, I always show my account. I always show the growth of my account. I showed y'all me taking an account from $2,000 to $30,000 using one strategy. And so him kind of calling me out on that kind of sparked my interest to make this video. And the reason why I didn't go ahead and just start showing exactly what I'm doing each and every trade is because I didn't want my ebook and everything that I have for people to be kind of diluted. But I realized from a lot of my ebook buyers and stuff like that, and the guys that's in the Discord, the real value of the ebook is in the game, in the story. I give you a trading plan, I give you everything like that. So I'm not even gonna talk about the ebook in this. This is all about the game of my strategy, of one of my strategies. It's just one of my strategies. This is the strategy that I use to take a 2.5K account, a 2.5K account, even less than that maybe. I think it was maybe at like $2,000 to all the way to $30,000 plus profit in 1 month. It was 1 week where I was up $15,000. And now I just now withdrew that account. I reset that account. So yeah, I took an account from 2.5K to 30K. And I got proof each and every step of the way inside the ebook and everything like that. But I'm gonna show y'all exactly what strategy I use to do that. Now I've added to this strategy. I've added indicators. I've added all that type of stuff to it. I've added a little bit more that I go into depth and in detail inside of my Discord. So that's where you're gonna get the value at from that. And it's just gonna be a community. But right here, right now, I'm gonna tell y'all and show y'all the strategy. So let's get into it. I'm just gonna go ahead and screen record. I'm gonna show y'all on Tesla, but the primary index or stock that I trade this on is SPY, SPY. That's the overall market. If you ever hear people investing in 401k, blah, 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 that's basically what they're investing in. It's the top 500 companies in the world. And yes, so that's SPY, and that's usually what I use this strategy on, but I'm just gonna demonstrate it on Tesla, and it's gonna be very simple, very quick and easy. So let me just give y'all exactly what you need before you even start this strategy. You need a brokerage, Robinhood, Webull, Moomoo, Fidelity, anything like that, bro. You need whatever you want to use. I don't even have a recommended broker that I want y'all to use, like or affiliate link or anything like that yet. But any type of broker, you need TradingView to view your charts. That's the #1 tool that everyone uses. Nobody ever told me that in the beginning. I used to always wonder, what the fuck is everybody using to look at their charts? And it's TradingView, bro. So if you don't know that, TradingView, you can download it. It's a free app. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to invest, if you want to learn how to read charts, it's one of the best platforms for that. It's free. You can do a free version of it. I made money. I made $30,000 off of a free version of it until I bought the paid version with that money. So right now, that's the two things that you're going to need. You're going to need a TradingView to view your charts and to mark up the levels that I'm about to show y'all. It's very easy, very simple. It's a daily strategy. It's a no guess strategy. It is a proven strategy that has over, I can show you a month right here where I went 97 win percentage doing this strategy. Low risk. I didn't even have leverage that much money, and I still made $5,000 in a month. That was like one of my first 1 or 2 months testing this strategy out. So that happened. All right, so as y'all can see on SPY, I already kind of got the strategy marked up and everything like that. So y'all probably seeing all these lines right here and everything, and not really knowing what it means. So let me go back to my watch list. I'm gonna go back to Tesla. So Tesla's up like 1450 today, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how this strategy works. As you can see, I kind of got a couple of markups on Tesla using this strategy down here below, but here it is, man. So what you want to do is, as soon as market opens, a 9:30 candle, you're on a 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna break this down simple. I'm gonna break this down simple as it can be. 9:30 candle opens. I'm not trading. I'm sitting on my hands. The first 9:30 candle, letting it form, letting the wicks form, the highs, the lows, the body, letting everything go through and do its thing. So I let that happen. I will take 2 horizontal lines. So as you're finna see right now, I'm about to take 2 horizontal lines. I just placed a blue one in my chart. As y'all can see, the 9:30 candle is right there. So I'm gonna go to the very bottom of that wick. As you can see, that lowest point right there on that 465 level right there. As y'all can see, the 465.72 level that it got marked right there. That is the lowest point that stock has been to over that 15-minute time frame. So each candle, when you got your chart set to the 15-minute, represents 15 minutes. So this is kind of not going to be for a beginner's video. This is kind of going to be to answer that guy's question and to really just show some of the people that's already a little bit advanced into trading what I'm actually doing on a daily basis. So all I'm gonna do is mark the lowest point. I'm gonna make another horizontal line. I'm gonna make another horizontal line, and then I'm gonna mark the highest point. So as you can see, 473.83 there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Price is gonna respect these levels. So that is on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see. So I got it all marked up now. As you can see, the highest point 473.83, and then the lowest point 465.72, and that is within the first 15 minutes of the market opening. I do not trade this I do not trade this time. Like, I let this form. I let the market do what it's got to do. I let it jump up. I let it jump down. I let it do whatever it's got to do to give me my levels. So these are my levels that price is going to react to and going to either reject off of, bounce off of, continue off of. And these are great levels that you can go off of. So what I do is, as you can see, I'm on a 15-minute time frame. I will go here and I will move to the 5-minute time frame. So now you can see I am on the 5-minute time frame. Let me go back and find that 9:30 a.m. So here it is. I'm on a 5-minute and I'm looking at the 9:30 a.m. candle right here. And as you can see, it took about 3 to 4 candles before it could break above my 473.83 level. So basically all I am waiting on is a break and close above my opening range breakout. So what those 2 lines is called is going to be called your opening range breakout. So you're going to mark out the highest point in 15 minutes. You're going to mark out the lowest point in 15 minutes on that 9:30 candle, the first candle, or if you in another time zone, the 8:30 candle is the first candle of the market. So for me, the first candle of the market sets the tone and sets my levels when it comes to this strategy. This is just one of my strategies that I use and that I will like to share with y'all, and that I don't have a problem sharing with y'all. So basically all I'm doing is waiting on a push above, a close above. So I don't want to see a wick. I don't want to see price going up to my level of 473.83 and then rejecting down. That's not good. That's not what I want to see. I want to see a clean close above with volume. And so that's where I will take my call position, with a close above my opening range breakout level. And so I am very confident once it has volume, once it closes above, once it's going to have follow through. It's a lot more indicators that you can add to this to make it confluence. But once you get that clean close above, you are pretty much golden for this strategy. And this is not a strategy where you hold all day. This is a strategy for quick daily income. And that is what I use this for. I use this as literally a 9-to-5 income. As you can see, like consistent trades each and every day. I take it almost damn near like a scalp, honestly. Like I don't be in this long. I get my money and I get in and out. I use the daily contracts on SPY, or I'll use the 1 DTE contracts to be safe. I am not spending all day. This is a 30, like I said in the last video, 5 to 15 minutes to make this type of money each and every day. That's all I use, bro. That's all I use. So as you can see, I would have got in at about the 9:45 candle, rode it all the way up till maybe about the 10 a.m. candle, got about 20% on that return on the 0 DTEs, and then I would have got out. As you can see, it reached a high of 482.05 during that first initial run in the morning. It was about 10 o'clock where it reached that. And so you could have held all the way to the end, but this strategy, I'm not looking to risk a whole bunch of money. I am looking to make quick daily income and quick daily profits. And so this strategy is a easy, proven strategy that a lot of great traders use. Some traders hold this for a long time during this strategy because they're very confident in it. But I just like to play the follow through. It's basically a continuation pattern. And it's the same thing if this stock was to break below 460, so 465.72, what I got set. So if it didn't go all the way up and it broke below my 465 level, had a break and close below with volume, then I would have took puts. It doesn't matter which way the market is going, you can make money daily with this strategy, man. So this strategy has a very high win rate. You can, as long as you get in and out of your trades, you will make money with this strategy. And this is not financial advice. You can do your own research on your own strategies. I'm just telling y'all what I do. I just tell y'all what I do in my Discord as one of my strategies, and what I wrote one of my books on that made me $30,000 in a month. You know what I'm saying? So in my first month, having a month like that, 15K in a week, I can show y'all like right here. You feel me? And so that's what it is. It's basically just support and resistance levels. It's not very hard to understand, but once you get a grasp of these levels, you'll see how price rejects it. Let me just go back on here right now. As you can see, like price respects these levels of opening range breakouts. As you can see on the 5-minute, once we broke and close above our level, it came back and retested that same level. As you can see, these wicks right here that I'm showing y'all, off of that 473.83 level, price is rejecting that. Why didn't it come down to 471.15 to start doing that? You know what I mean? No, it came right down to my opening range breakout level before it went back up again. You know what I'm saying? So these are key levels that the market respects and uses, and that's one thing that I've learned over the past couple of months using this strategy. And this strategy has made me a lot of money, man. As long as you discipline, you will make money with this strategy. And yeah, man, I just wanted to share that with y'all, man. That boy had dropped that comment, and I was like, man, I'll show y'all one of my strategies. It's cool, it's whatever, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make this channel very valuable. I'm gonna get into some long terms and everything like that. I decided to use I'm gonna start with about $5,000 on my long-term portfolio that I'm gonna make public with y'all, and I'm gonna grow step by step by step. So I'm gonna start with like $5,000, and that's gonna be a great challenge for us, you know what I'm saying? And that's gonna be long term. That's gonna be set and forget. That it's not trading. That it's not what I do right here for daily income that I can spend. That is gonna be long term put up money that I'm gonna do on that 5K challenge. And yeah, man, if you wanna join that, man, make sure you subscribe. But yeah, as far as the strategy, man, it's proven to work for me. It's one of my favorite strategies right now, just to make daily income, especially with my busy life. I just get in and out, make my money, and go about my day. So it's been working for me really nicely. I have people in the Discord vouch for it. as you can see right here. Put a couple of testimonials up of the chat. And yeah, man, it's been really great for me. If you want to join my Discord, man, make sure you go ahead and go in that link below in the description. You'll get the free ebook on this strategy as well. Just breaking down everything, giving you a daily checklist, giving you everything you need. And also you'll get access to my Discord for life. And I'm gonna be talking about long-term in there and stuff like that too. So this is gonna be a growth channel, man, and I just want y'all to be along for the ride. I had to show y'all one of my strategies that I use, man, so I ain't gatekeeping on this channel. You know, when he called me out for gatekeeping, I said, all right, man, you know what, you're right. You know what I'm saying? One thing about me is I take accountability. I'm gonna show exactly what I need to show on this channel for us to be successful, man. So if y'all wanna go ahead and subscribe, hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you drop a like, drop a comment in the comment section below, and stay tuned for the next video.